Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Elijah Dominguez. I'm coming to you today in regards to the city of Martinez and the Martinez Police Department, who have actually been violating the law, and they have been issuing warrants for citizens. Now, in order for them to issue a warrant, they have to do this through the Municipal Code 2.84.010. Now, that's done through the Treasury Department of the city of Martinez. Now, they're issuing warrants for citizens' arrest and locking them up for profit, because it says at the bottom, it says all warrants, which include criminal warrants and civil warrants or whatever warrants they're trying to issue, shall be issued through the Treasury, through the city's Treasury. And on the next coding, right underneath it, there's unclaimed property where they auction your property. So let's say you're sitting in jail for 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, right? And you still haven't gone to trial because they keep pushing it back. Well, first off, they give notice to the public. They don't have to give notice to the private owner of the property. So then they sell your property, whether it's a watch or a backpack or some shoes or whatever you had that they took from you. They sold that on auction. Now, in that section, there's a section that says if they don't sell it, they can auction it off and auction your property off and give it away to a charitable trust as long as they didn't make any money off of it. So what you have is the Martinez Police Department arresting people for profit and committing acts of property crimes against the citizens of the city of Martinez in California. Again, this is why it's crucial for police reform, not through the use of defunding the police. That's not going to work. They're already defunded enough. You guys are fucking geniuses for that one. No, you need to make sure that the laws that are there protecting them are removed, such as the internal affairs, which protects them, the unions, which are provided a union rep who protects them from accidents where they have hurt people. These things need to be taken away because it's allowing them to have protection. Absolute immunity got to go. You don't get rid of absolute immunity or a qualified immunity, these cops can lie on the stand. 18 USC 10001. And this section A, section B. A is the liability. A is telling you what the liability. B is the section that gives you remedy. And they can literally lie in court, and it's legal for them to do so. So, if you are watching this video, vote yes on the recall of Governor Gavin Newsom, because we don't want these type of Democratic leaders in office that just allow police to steal property. I've reported it to every single agency, and none of it's been handled. So, if they're not going to do this, we need these people out of office. This is not okay behavior, and they're committing felonies in the name of profit and locking us up for it under that penal code 2.84.010. And I made them over $1 million in profit, and God knows how much more, because they locked me up for profit and made money off of it. This is a criminal enterprise. This is what you would call a gang, because they're consistently doing this. This is gang activity. This is what would qualify as a gang. They have an insignia. They have a They have a goal and an agenda, which is to make money, and they all wear the same insignia, City of Martinez. That's a gang member. Those are gang members. This is gang-affiliated, government gang-affiliated bullying on citizens. And I have proof, and I can prove it. And I've posted the stuff at the bottom there for people to see about police gang bullying and committing acts where they're committing acts. So vote yes on the recall of Governor Gavin Newsom if you're tired of police bullying and profitization off of citizens. Thank you. And remember to vote yes tomorrow, which is the deadline for that recall of Governor Gavin Newsom. Thank you.